up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. For those who are new, welcome. And guys, like I said in previous video, I am back. And in this video, I just want to share with you guys the exciting things that I also have coming up for the next month. So I did mention briefly in the previous video that I am doing Kyron's birthday party. That will be on the 17th of May. It's a Saturday. Excuse me. And also wrapping up kindergarten. We're getting close to that. I will be having him a little graduation party here at the house with some family and honoring of that. So I can't wait to celebrate him and all his achievement this year. He has done such an amazing job. I am super proud of him. So we're excited about that. And that's going to be literally 2 weeks after his birthday party. So the birthday party on the 17th and then the graduation party is on the 31st. I know, like, what? You got a lot going on, but I do. And I'm here for it. We're here for it. We're excited about it. So I can't wait to kind of show you guys behind the scene a little bit more of that, the party and the graduation. So I'm continuing to finish up some things here. It is currently Saturday, so I just want to go ahead and get everything I need done for today. And then when I have some good stuff coming in, like more materials and stuff like that for the events, I will get back on here and update you guys on all that good stuff. So until then, stick around because I am super excited to share with all these activities and festive things we got going on this for the next month here or so coming up. So yeah, stay tuned. Bye. Okay, so this is some of the stuff that I already got for his birthday party. This here is goodie bags, candy for the goodie bags. I will be making his little party favors here. These are the chip wrap. I'll be wrapping Rice Krispies as well. These are some little fun outer space bingo that I was going to put in their bags, but this might just be something for the kids to play. These are little coloring books. So thought that was really cute. But again, the theme is Astrobot. These are some stuff that's going to go into the goodie bags. Little different outer space little thingies that they can paint. And it comes with the paint as well. The little brushes. And little thank you cards. So I thought this was really cute. And then these, I don't know what these are.
Let's see.
Maybe, let's see. Open it. Hold this. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, okay. Bags to maybe put, I guess, put the little stuff in. I don't know. I might not be using these because I'll just be putting them in the goodie bag as is. So I'll just put it in there. I don't know. I might use these. Let me see. Trying to open it or open one. Oh, okay. I see. Just put it in there like that. I don't know. I just think this is extra, but who knows? Might use it, might not. But yeah, this is the stuff that will be going in the party bag. I already showed that doesn't go in there. But yeah, and oh, this is what I'll be using to make the crinkle thingies on the party favors. So I'm excited about that. So yeah, put all this stuff back. All the other stuff, decorations and stuff like that, is by the coordinator. So she'll be the one who we'll have all that stuff so she can bring it to set it up. But yeah, this is just the stuff I want to show y'all that I had and what I'll be doing on my end. Okay, so yeah, y'all stick around, still hanging there with me. I'll be showing y'all how I made this. I'm gonna be doing the water bottles and, like I said, the Rice Krispie treats as well. So yeah, fun times. So yeah, after practicing, I think I got it perfected pretty good. But yeah, stick around to find out. Bye. No, my tires. Okay, so all right, y'all, we are on the way to the park, taking him to get out the house for a little bit on my lunch. But first I need to stop at the tire shop to let them put air in my tire. So I don't know what's going on here. I hope it's not a nail or something in it. But yeah, I'm gonna get some air in my tire and then I'll link back up with you guys once we get to the park. So I'll see y'all in a little bit. So we ended up at the tire shop.
No, let me do mine. Hey subscribers, how you doing?
No, be quiet. So we ended up at the tire shop and I have a leak in the passenger right side, so hopefully they can fix it. So we're gonna wait and see. So this is what's taking up my lunch, so we're not gonna make it to the park today.